Imagine a life where fitness isn't a chore but a lifestyle. A life where you feel stronger, healthier, and more confident every single day. Now let's dispel a myth. Fitness isn't about punishing your body with grueling workouts or starving yourself with fad diets. It's about embracing a lifestyle that promotes health, strength, and vitality. It's about building habits that serve you, not enslave you. It's about nurturing a mindset that sees exercise not as punishment, but as self-care. Regular exercise has a plethora of benefits. It boosts your mood, improves your energy levels, and enhances your overall well-being. It can transform not just your body, but your life. And the best part? You don't have to be a professional athlete or a fitness guru to reap these benefits. You just need to be consistent and determined. Achieving this life isn't a distant dream, but a reality waiting for you to grab hold of. Consistency is the key that unlocks the door to a fit and healthy lifestyle. This statement holds a profound truth that many of us often overlook. In the realm of fitness, consistency is indeed king. It's not about the intensity of your workout or the number of hours you spend at the gym. It's about showing up, day in and day out, and giving it your all, every single time. You see, when it comes to fitness, there's no magic potion, no shortcut to success. It's a journey, a marathon, not a sprint. And just like any journey, it's the small, consistent steps that lead to significant changes over time. Think about it. If you were to improve just 1% every day, you'd be 37 times better by the end of a year. Now that's the power of consistency. So, how do we cultivate this powerful habit? Start small. Set achievable goals. Instead of aiming for an hour of intense workout, start with just 15 minutes a day. As you build your stamina and strength, gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Another key strategy is to make fitness a part of your daily routine. Just like you wouldn't skip brushing your teeth or having breakfast, don't skip your workout. Make it a non-negotiable part of your day. And remember, consistency doesn't mean rigidity. It's okay to switch up your workouts to keep things exciting and prevent boredom. Finally, keep track of your progress. Nothing motivates like visible results. Take note of how your body feels, how your clothes fit, how much energy you have. Celebrate every improvement, no matter how small. Each step forward is a testament to your consistency, to your commitment to a fit and healthy lifestyle. And here's the beautiful part. The more consistent you are, the more momentum you build, and the easier it becomes to stay on track. Before you know it, what once seemed like a chore becomes a habit, a part of who you are. Remember, it's not about perfection, but persistence. So, keep going, keep growing, and watch as the power of consistency transforms your fitness journey. No matter if you're 20 or 60, it's never too late or too early to start your fitness journey. So, let's dive right in and talk about fitness for all ages. Remember, fitness isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's a personal journey that's tailored to your unique needs and circumstances. Just as your body changes with age, so should your approach to fitness. In your 20s, your body is at its peak. It's a time to build a strong fitness foundation, focusing on strength training, cardiovascular exercises, and flexibility. You can push your limits, try different workout routines, and discover what you enjoy most. As you transition into your 30s, maintaining your fitness level becomes crucial. Your metabolism starts to slow down, and you might notice changes in your body. But don't be disheartened. It's a perfect time to incorporate more functional workouts into your routine. These can help you stay agile and keep up with your daily activities with ease. Into your 40s and 50s, it's time to prioritize strength and bone health. Weight-bearing exercises become more critical to counteract the natural loss of muscle mass and bone density that comes with age. And remember, it's not about lifting the heaviest weights. It's about maintaining your strength and staying active. And for those in their 60s and beyond, the focus should be on maintaining mobility and balance. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, or yoga can be beneficial. These activities can help you stay fit, improve your flexibility, and reduce the risk of falls. But remember, it's not about the number of years you've lived, but the life you put into those years. Fitness is a lifelong journey, not a destination. It's about feeling good in your skin, at any age. And it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new fitness regimen, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. They can guide you on what's safe and suitable for your age and health status. In the end, it's essential to remember that your fitness journey is unique to you. There's no right or wrong way to approach it as long as you're moving and taking care of your body. Your age doesn't define your fitness level, your actions do. Fitness isn't just about exercise, it's also about fueling your body with the right nutrients. When we talk about fitness, we often focus solely on the physical activities we do, the sweat we shed, the muscles we build. But there's another essential player in this game, a silent partner that can make or break your fitness journey, and that's nutrition. Imagine your body as a high-performance vehicle. Now, you wouldn't put low-quality fuel in a sports car, would you? Of course not. You'd want the best, the highest quality fuel to ensure maximum performance. The same goes for your body. The food you consume is the fuel that powers your fitness. So, what does this fuel look like? It's a balance of macronutrients: proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Each plays a unique and essential role. Proteins are the building blocks of your muscles. Carbohydrates provide the energy to power through your workouts. Fats are essential for numerous functions, including hormone production and nutrient absorption. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about when you eat. Timing your meals around your workouts can optimize your energy levels and facilitate recovery. A balanced meal or snack before your workout can provide the fuel you need to push harder, while a protein-rich meal post-workout aids in muscle recovery and growth. And let's not forget about water, the elixir of life. Staying hydrated is crucial for all bodily functions, including those related to fitness. Water helps regulate body temperature, lubricates joints, and transports nutrients to give you energy and keep you healthy. But remember, every body is unique. What works for one person might not work for another. It's always best to consult with a registered dietitian or nutritionist to create a meal plan that suits your individual needs and fitness goals. This isn't about dieting or deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to perform at its best. It's about creating sustainable, healthy eating habits that support your fitness journey, not hinder it. Remember, you can't out-exercise a bad diet. Every journey has its hurdles, but remember, obstacles are just opportunities in disguise. When embarking on a fitness journey, it's inevitable that we'll encounter obstacles. They can come in many shapes and sizes, from lack of time and motivation to injuries and limitations. It's easy to view these as roadblocks deterring us from our path. But what if we changed our perspective? What if we saw these obstacles not as roadblocks but as stepping stones to a stronger, fitter self? Let's talk about time. It's often seen as the enemy of fitness. With busy schedules, finding time to exercise can seem like an insurmountable task. But here's a tip: break it down. Instead of trying to carve out an hour, look for small windows of opportunity, 10 minutes here, 15 minutes there. You'd be surprised at how quickly it adds up, and how effective short, high-intensity workouts can be. Now, what about motivation? It's a tricky beast. Some days it's there in spades, other days it seems to disappear. The key is consistency. Stick to your routine, even on the days when motivation eludes you. Remember why you started this journey and think about how far you've come. You're stronger than you think. Injuries and physical limitations can be especially challenging obstacles. They can derail our progress and leave us feeling defeated, but they don't have to. Listen to your body, modify your workouts, rest when needed. There's no shame in taking it slow. In fact, it's a sign of wisdom and strength. Remember, every obstacle you face is a chance to learn, to grow, to adapt. It's an opportunity to discover your resilience and to prove to yourself that you can overcome anything. So, next time you face a hurdle, don't shy away. Embrace it. Use it as a stepping stone towards your goals. In this fitness journey, the only true obstacle is the one you don't overcome. So keep going, stay strong, stay resilient. You've got this. Every challenge you overcome is a step closer to your fitness goals. The path to fitness may be challenging, but the rewards are worth every drop of sweat. Imagine the energy that courses through you after a great workout, the satisfaction of reaching your goals, and the confidence that comes from knowing you are at your peak physical health. This isn't just for the athletes or the young, but for everyone who dares to take that first step. Fitness doesn't discriminate, it rewards anyone willing to work. And the benefits are not just physical. You'll find your mental clarity improved, your stress levels reduced, and your mood elevated. In a world where we often feel out of control, your fitness journey is one area where you have the power. You can shape your own destiny, sculpt your own body, and build your own future. So why wait? Start your fitness journey today and unlock a healthier, happier, and more confident you.